Hello guys, and welcome to my tutorial about how to play games from your phone on your computer. So let's get started. First of all, you're gonna open your web browser Chrome like this, and then you go to the apps, select the web store like right here, and next we have the search menu. You're gonna write I don't know, anything, any game you want to play on your computer. So uh, I will show you a little game that I used to play, and I play in the moment sometimes, but not really often. And you go like this. So the name of the game is Arkham Legends. It's an online MMORPG that you can play with your friends, and I don't know, you make your character that looks like this, and I'm gonna show you a little bit. So when you add this, you're gonna have there something to add. Right here it says that we have to remove from Chrome, but we don't do that. Yeah, it has a million of downloads and other things. You can play it on your phone also. So explore the exciting free 3D fantasy world with your pets and friends in this online multiplayer game. Like I said, it's a multiplayer game. You have pets and skills. You can play PvP if you want player versus player. The adventure is unleashed. Explore the magical world of Arkham Legend with companions on PC and mobile. Like I said, PC and mobile, but not now other people knows that you can play it also on your PC, computer, iOS, and whatever you have. It's a free, yeah, massively multiplayer online role-playing game. So you have some roles, you have some characters like Roach, Warrior, and Sorcerer, Magician, or how you want the game. It's powered by Spice Time Engine, the people that made this game. Features, we have here a deep character creation system, customize your character, unlock and customize class abilities as you level up. So you have your level skills and other things. So alright, I'm gonna go here and start this game. Let's see, and then Spice Time Studios company. So we have here, you can play ad app on Google Play, available on store, available at Amazon also. Yeah, with Platinum, this is the forum. This is the site of the game of the company Spacetime Studio, where it creates, and they have also another games. So we're gonna go here and press the play free to open the browser and the game, and we wait. It logged me automatically because I'm logged with my Facebook account. You can log with Gmail, email, or stats login like that. You're gonna find there when you type it. So here we are. My name, my character, it's Roach, level 67, and we have the name Axel Boot. So first of all, I'm gonna show you a little bit of the game, not the whole game, and you can leave a comment if you want on this video and say that you want more about this game. We have here the expansion. Yeah, at first of all, when I started playing, it was max level 41. Now about 2 years, 60 and something, 61, and now it has expanded to level 76. We have here some patch notes that allows you to know the update of the game, when it's gonna start and everything like this. So let's see, 2021, 29 content update. Endless and tainted sets should now buff any octopus. So now buff. There's no buff octopus, and no work with different pets slotted for HP. So endless and tainted set are the armor, and at this set you have weapon and armor, helm and usually armor. So let's do this, and we're gonna play it. Let's wait to load it in. For this spear, so here we are. You can play with WASD and with your control mouse. So here we have, those are the skills. we go here. This is the auction zone, so here you can buy or sell anything you want about I don't know, weapons, which you have here. You can select this preview on avatar and see how does it looks. You go here, Dragon Hunter blades, like this, like painted logo, what I said earlier. So then armor, health, or you can search his name and to find it more easily, enter the item name. No, let's say I don't know, and less. So we search, and we have here endless to the highest and to the lowest price on your armor, and you have some here some enchantments and sockets that you can upgrade with jewels, standard, fine, jewel, or anything you're gonna see on the. We're gonna find this in time. So now we are here at the buy menu. I don't know. Let's say I'm gonna buy something, and oh, not this one. Mini lock. So here you need platinum, another type of gold to open those. So we're gonna package this one. Alright, you purchase silver watches. We go here. We click on the avatar, inventory, and we go to the chest icon. Alright, so where is it? Silver watches. So we're gonna open it. You can find anything. I mean, not anything, but most of the time weapons and items. You have here the pads that you can open them, but I don't open them because I have them already. Here are your equipment, weapon, helmet, armor, belt, ring, amulet, and artifacts. You click here and you go to another section that is vanities, and you have here for the weapon vanities. Vanities it doesn't give you any sort of the power, but it has a more likely look, so I will show it right here. So vanity helmet, now I'm gonna keep it, and it has the only armor. It shows the armor. So if you click it again, and here are your vanities. Let's search that one. Where is the one right here, and here, yeah, here you can show your stats: strength, health, dexterity, bonus, DMG, dead, critical damage, intelligence, mana, DPS, or armor. So for next one, we have here the backpack. Yeah, here it's another vanity that you can, I don't know, set it up. So you're gonna buy it or find them from the event. We have here the banner, which I have some banners. Not alright. So I'm gonna show you how it's the gameplay. So you click another one into the avatar, and you go here like world map, and here you're gonna you'll find some maps: North, Brackridge, Tinderin, which is in North, yeah, Shriel and Kraken Island, and those are the cities where you can you need to unlock them, and where you can find the same thing or like this one, the auction zone. So we're gonna say world map, and I don't know, Brackridge 1 to 4, like these are the maps and levels, like. Alright, let's give it a go. Brackridge village. Alright, so here you have your pet, and with your pet it helps you at stats and at the play. At the playment you have here elixir your roller for better loot. Alright, you can see he can beat those mobs single. Yeah, here are the special power of them. You can you're gonna need to feed them at the moment. Yeah, the special power of them, and you can select any pet you want from the stable. Here you have your all, you have the categories, Rarkan, which are the OP pets, epic, rare, common, and like this. Alright, so let's get right here. Let's beat the mouse. The boss, yeah, I'm level 67, so that's why it's so easy for me to beat this one. The NPC